Unit number 14, the end of the beginning. In what ways does the play critique traditionally gender roles, especially this is important. The play shows how men often underestimate women's domestic services. Daddy believes housework is easy, but when he tries it, everything goes wrong. It proves that domestic tasks need skill and effort to perform. Number two, do you think the play suggests the certain tasks were gender specific? The play shows that experience matters more than gender. Daddy is a man but fails at work. His wife is skilled and manages everything well, so the play supports ability, not gender. Question number three, how does Daddy's overconfidence serve as a lesson for the audience? Daddy's is proud and thinks he can do anything. He takes over the housework with overconfidence, but he fails badly. This teaches the value of humility and kindness. Do you think the farcical element of the play are effective in conveying a deeper message? Yes, the funny scenes help to show a deep message in a light way. The audience laughs but also thinks profoundly. It makes the lesson easy to understand. Comedy softens serious topics. The play uses humor to explore serious themes. Comedy teaches in a gentle way. The play makes fun of pride and work role. People see the truth while laughing. It helps tough topics feel light but still important. How might the play's themes be relevant to contemporary audience? Question number 6 is also very important. Yes, the play's themes are still relevant today. Many people still believe that some tasks are only for men or women. The play promotes equality of services. All work deserves respect and reverence. These issues still exist in today's world. Question number 7. What role does the humor play in the play? How does it contribute? Keeps the story entertaining while delivering serious issues. It keeps the story fun and fast. It helps show the true nature of characters. It teaches us with a light touch of fun. When you learn these questions, put your comments in the comment box that I have learned, I have prepared these questions, okay? What is the significance of Daddy's mistakes and failure in the play? Daddy's failures teaches a lesson to the audience. He learns that work needs effort. His mistakes shows that he was wrong. This gives the play its significant message. Now some additional questions for you, and you will have to solve 3 questions out of this play. What task does Lizzie assign to Daddy before leaving the house? Before leaving, Lizzie tells Daddy to clean the house, wash the dishes, and keep things tidy. She challenges him to complete these duties to prove his claim that men are better suited to housework. Number 2, what is the irony in the title, the end of the beginning? Important question. This title is ironic because although it sounds like something is ending, it actually marks the start of Daddy's awareness and personal growth. It signals a new understanding in their marriage. Question number 3, how does the play challenge gender role? The play shows that housework is not easy or simple. When Daddy fails badly, it proves that women's daily work deserves respect and should not be underestimated by men. Question number 4, what makes the play enjoyable and meaningful? The play is full of laughter and silly mistakes, but it also gives a strong message about pride, gender roles, and respect for others' work and daily responsibilities. Which is Daddy's main flaw? Daddy's biggest flaw is his pride. He thinks that he can do everything better than Lizzie, but his failures turn that pride into embarrassment and comic learning. How does the play end? The play ends with Lizzie returning home to find Daddy exhausted and injured. It realizes how difficult housework is. and experience humbles him. It ends with a sense of mutual understanding between the couple. Question number 7, is this play considered to be a comedy? The play is a comedy because it uses humorous situations, misunderstandings, and exaggerations to entertain the audience while still delivering a serious message about equality and mutual respect. Learn these questions by heart and practice them by writing. You will be in third portion, and you have to solve 3 answers of this play. And put your question and put your comments in the comment box. I'll upload another video for you. Thank you.